Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. This is where we use makeup and beauty to create something incredible and just help each other along for this crazy journey that we got going on over here. And over there as well. I want to be the place where you guys come to just relax, unwind, and play with some makeup together. You know what I mean? Cut creases and all. Now, in today's video, we are doing a special collab. It's a Pastel's beautiful collab with ItsBrittLyn. If you guys have not checked out ItsBrittLyn's channel, go and check her out right now. I'm going to link all her beautiful stuff right over here. So go and check her out. You will not regret it. Now, can we just talk about this beauty? Oh my god, I'm using a relatively new palette. So let me know in the comments what you think about these colors, what you think about the palette so far, and if you guys have not already subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified about when I post. Alright, now enough of me rambling, let's get on to the video. Hello my babies, so welcome back. Today we are going to the P. Louise base in Rumor 2, and I'm applying that all over my lid to have a base on my lid because we know how oily my lids are. I'm putting some tape in to make sure the line's right. And now we're going into the beautiful Slush by September Rose Cosmetics, and the white shade is called Coconut Milk. Oh my god, this palette has been my current obsession. So now we're gonna go into the yellow, which is called Banana. Now look at the pigmentation. At first you do have to like touch it a lot, but then you get used to it. The Cotton Candy, ooh. See, a little bit it starts off very light just in case. It's not like super pigmented at first, but once you actually go into it, the pigmentation comes off so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go into Peach Lemonade, which is that yellow shade, that orange shade, I'm sorry, and blend the yellow and the pink together. Oh, that blend, let me tell you about this beautiful blend. Oh, it looks like the sunset. Like, tell me no. In the comments, tell me no. Does this look like a sunset? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. So I am going over every single color that I've used, from Banana, which is the yellow, to the Peach Lemonade, which is the orange, to the Cotton Candy, which is that pink color. I'm making sure it blends all nicely. I just decided to do the yellow and the pink first, but you could really pick whichever way you want. Now, this is the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. I am cutting my crease. Honestly, I want to do like a how-to to cut creases. Let me know if you would like that in the comments below, as well as if you want that, thumbs it up, baby. Alright, now I'm taking a Makeup Geek brush and going into Raspberry, which is this beautiful lavender shade. So for this pastels look, I needed a pastels kind of form, and I wanted to do it more colorful than I'm used to. So I did use a lot more colors. As you can see, I'm trying to really use this palette. At first I wanted shimmers, but I thought, nah, these colors are beautiful. Now I'm going in to Blue Hawaiian, which is this gorgeous, and I know I say gorgeous to anything, but it is beautiful. Now I'm going into Bubblegum. Bubblegum looks silver on the palette, but when you apply it, it looks like a white with reflexes of blue. I can't even explain it. Now I'm gonna go into the Mehron AQ palette, the 35 colors, and I'm going in with white. It is a water-based palette. You do need water to activate these paints. It's a water-based paint, but let me tell you, these as liners is literally my life. I need to use them more often. So I am making sure that the line is as nice and neatly as possible. But look, can you see that beauty? Oh my god. Alright, now I'm going into, it's the Essence eyeliner. It's called Super Precise Eyeliner, and I picked it up, and honestly the brush is what I like the best. I like their dip eyeliner better, but this one is really nice. It doesn't come off. It stays very well. It dries a little bit slower than I'm used to, but honestly that doesn't really matter to me. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do any other makeup tutorials and or how-tos. If you want me to do a lash how-to, please let me know down below, as well as thumbs up if you do. So this is the end result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little tutorial, pastel color tutorial collab with Brittany Lima. Again, if you guys have not gone and checked her out, go and check her out right now. As well as if you guys have not subscribed yet, go subscribe. Join our crazy little family that we got going on over here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you guys are not already following the family accounts, all my Instagrams and Twitters and Snapchats, please go and become a family member. Come and check us out. Check me out. And check out everybody else that are in our little family on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and TikTok and Facebook. And as well as, of course, YouTube. Also, if you guys didn't already know, I do have a podcast. So all the podcast links for all the different platforms for the podcast are linked down below. So go and check that out if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.